Good evening, I'm Steve Johnson. You can get our iPhone, iPad, and Android app. They're available for free in the App Store and on Google Play. The Dove's also available on Roku as well. From the Dove Newsroom at this hour, with online healthcare marketplaces experiencing glitches, concern is mounting for people who are supposed to be among the health law's earliest beneficiaries. People across the country with pre-existing conditions who are covered through high-risk insurance pools will see their coverage dissolve by year's end. The Affordable Care Act will allow them to gain regular coverage, but many have had trouble signing up and could find themselves without insurance in January if they don't meet a December 15th enrollment deadline. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius is acknowledging problems with the startup of the healthcare law, but in testimony to a Senate committee, she also is defending that law, saying it's starting to drive down healthcare costs for consumers. Sebelius acknowledges that using the healthcare.gov website has been frustrating for many Americans, but she said the site's problems are being steadily fixed and that it will operate smoothly for most people by the end of the month. However, Republican Senator Orrin Hatch says his concerns are greater than just a website that doesn't work.
I'm very concerned about this going into a socialized medicine situation where we really can't control the cost, can't control the system, and we denigrate the system instead of helping it. So naturally I'm concerned about it, and I think a lot of Republicans are concerned about it, and I even know some Democrats are concerned about it. This is not a simple bunch of political hacks working at it. This is a very serious set of problems.
Hatch further told Sebelius that the administration had been untruthful before the rollout of the law. He said President Obama's promise that people who like their insurance can keep it has proven not to be true. The Oregon State Police are working to get to the bottom of the death of a man in Cave Junction they say was a homicide. 39-year-old Aaron Clauser was found lying on the road that's in the 200 block of West Millie Street at around 10:30 p.m. The manner of death has not been released. Police are seeking information and tips. You can make them anonymously by calling the Oregon State Police at 1-800-442-2068. Curry County voters have rejected a public safety tax increase that would have tripled local property taxes to restore police services. County commissioners will call the governor to discuss a possible emergency declaration. Let's take a look now at what we can expect on the weather scene, brought to you by Grange Co-op. For Medford and Grants Pass, partly cloudy tonight, a low of 47. Rain expected tomorrow with a high of 58, then cloudy and 56 on Friday. For Klamath Falls, we can expect partly cloudy tonight, a low of 39. Rain tomorrow with a high of 55, then cloudy with a high of 51. Along the coast in Brookings, partly cloudy tonight, a low of 50. Rain tomorrow with a high of 51 and 53, and partly sunny on Friday. For Port Orford and Coos Bay, rain tonight and tomorrow, a low of 53 tonight, 55 the high tomorrow, then cloudy and 56 on Friday. For Northern California and Wairika, cloudy tonight, a low of 38, then rain expected tomorrow, a high of 58. Partly sunny on Friday with a low of 56, with lows in the lower 30s and upper 20s. That's news and weather. You're up to date on the Dove.